Here we go. Where? Oh, wonderful was it alive? The kids, if ever kiss, and never the kiss there was. Never the kiss there was. To keep it up, keep it. Uh-oh. Oh, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. Oh, it hurt. I was right. Because of the wonderful things she does. For us to see, living in the wilderness is fun, and joyful, glee. Oh. Don't try this at home or on a bike. Whoa! There's a fox. There's a red fox right here. I don't know if riding my bike was the best way to get him, but he's right there. Sherwood Forest, I think. I'm at Sherwood. This is it. Sherwood Forest. Sherwood. Yeah, Chazwood, Mikewood. It's the woods. The woods. Get it? Sherwood. They share. Good people. Very good people. And there's somebody looking at me right there. There we go. Share the woods. Hey, I'm here to share the woods with you guys. Sherwood. Sherwood, Chazwood, Mikewood, Woodwood, Woodwin. Alright. That's it for Sherwood Forest. Mike out. Thank you very much. I think I'm bleeding somewhere. It was beautiful, man. It was beautiful.